Hello everybody, that's awesome Opossum Kids Channel, and today we are going to unbox this cool thing that's Chef Master. We have here a light and boiling sound, ages is 3+, and this coffee maker is really realistic. That's perfect for a kid and a perfect addition to any play kitchen. Let's start to open this. Do not forget to like and subscribe.
So let's take a look what we have here. We have so cute and little teapot. You can open this. It looks like real. Then we have place where you can put tea or coffee, whatever. Also we have place here, you can open this, and here we will pour water. Then it will go through and we will have water here, our tea actually. Button here will make light and boiling sound. That is so cool for kids as it's not hot. Whoa, this coffee maker is so realistic. So let's prepare a so tasty tea. Here we have delicious tea, and we will put it here. This machine is perfect for kids. Okay, so we put tea here, and now we need to open this part and pour water. Of course, we put here this pot. We need to close, and now we need to push this button. Oi! And now, when everything is inside tea and water, we need to push this button. Wow! This is perfect for kids. That's not hot, and it works realistic. That's so interesting. Oh, that's it! As you see, our tea is ready. Pour it into glasses. It looks so yummy. This children's Chef Master coffee maker will be perfect addition to any kitchen. To say more, I really like this set for kids. And in next our episodes, do not miss them. In next our episodes, we will review Chef Master but toaster. That's so interesting. Bye bye, sweetheart!